Selective Breeding by KayScience.com. Imagine you're a farmer and you've got hundreds of chickens and you want to produce the biggest chickens possible to produce the most meat. So what you're going to do is firstly identify the desired characteristic that you want. So you identify the desired characteristic that you want to breed for. In this case, it is large chickens. So in this case, the desired characteristic is large chickens. And then what you do is you select the chickens that show the desired characteristic. So you select the organisms with the desired characteristic. In this case, it is the chickens that are the largest. And then you're going to breed them together. So the next step is that you breed the organisms with the desired characteristic. So you breed the organisms with the desired characteristic. In this case, you're going to breed the chickens at the largest chickens, and you're going to produce offspring, hopefully with very large chickens. So now what you can do is identify and select for the desired characteristic in your offspring. So you select the offspring with the desired characteristic. So you select the offspring with the desired characteristic, and then you breed them together. So you're breeding the offspring together to form even more offspring that are even larger. So you breed the offspring with the desired characteristics together. And then hopefully you're going to form even larger chickens. So then you repeat this process. Really important, you repeat this process. The more times you do, you have the desired characteristic. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Press pause to answer this extended response question. The answers will follow. So you're going to first identify and select for the desired characteristic. You're choosing variety A because it is fast growing. So variety A is fast growing. It also produces many potatoes. So that is why we're selecting variety A. We're going to select for variety B as well, because variety B produces large potatoes. So then what you do is you breed variety A with variety B. You breed variety A with variety B, and this will then produce offspring. So you select the offspring with the desired characteristics. In this case, you are looking for fast growing, produces many potatoes, and have large potatoes. And then you breed the offspring with the desired characteristics. So if you've got fast growing, many potatoes that are large, you then breed those plants together and you repeat this process and you repeat it. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Visit KayScience.com for more free videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.